Hey, this is John from smarthomereviewer.com, and today I'm unboxing the Hue White and Color Ambiance Lightstrip Plus. Hue really needs to get somebody on longer names for these products. So you'll see this is the full Lightstrip kit that comes with the power adapter as well as the strip itself. This can display virtually any color from warm white to cool daylight, and then 16 million colors that aren't white colors. If anybody's into brightness, this also says it's 1600 lumens, and a little bit more information. These are dimmable. They'll run for 25,000 hours or 50,000 on and off cycles, which would probably last my daughter about 2 days of flicking them on and off. So anyway, let's open this up and see what we get. By the way, this is 80 inches, so this is a little over 6 feet of light strip, which is just crazy. So inside the box, here we have the aforementioned power adapter. This disconnects in case you need to put a different plug for Europe or anywhere else in the world. And then this is where the other half of the adapter connects. Now the light strip itself, this is a huge coil of light strip. And you can see it's got adhesive on the back here. In my experience with most light strips, even well-cleaned surfaces, even with well-cleaned surfaces, these things tend to kind of suck. And I wind up having to use other adhesive. But hey, I'm hopeful for this one. It's most likely going under a couch, so I might not even use it. This is pretty pliable. Sorry, I was off camera there. This is pretty pliable. You know, it'll bend virtually any way, and it feels like it doesn't feel like there's going to be any kinks in it from where they've rolled this up, like some of the cheaper light strips might have. And you could see it looks like there's a lighting element roughly every 2 inches across these. And then as indicated on the box, these are cuttable at certain areas. Here's one of those areas. So if you needed to trim these and then maybe put connectors, if you were putting them beneath cabinets or something, that would be where you do it. Also in the box, there's something rattling around in here. So this is our power cable to connect the adapter to the light strip itself. That was really in there. And then just the instructions and some warranty information. If you've watched my other videos, I do not care for instructions. I will fumble through it in the app and then write about my experience. So check us out at smarthomereviewer.com for some more information about these Hue light strips and for any tips, tricks, and reviews about smart home gadgets. Thanks.